Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening.
Send a pic of the assignment that you gave, Mom.
Yeah, just help me know from where should we continue? Did we finish this one? Where did we stop, children? What was the last one we did?
Ma'am, we just question we done, ma'am.
Ma'am, we just named the
Number
properties.
4 we finished.
Ma'am, we named the properties of addition, ma'am, in each of the following cases.
Fifth question, ma'am.
This is over, is it? All
Yes,
this
ma'am. After this over.
We finished this one also?
Yes, ma'am. We completed.
Ma'am, this one only we have completed, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right. Let's understand how to subtract rational numbers. So all this actually is, recall of your 6th and 7th standard. It's not completely new to you. Who can tell me the first one? Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So what is the rational number? Yeah, what is the rational number after from?
Subtract
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
1 by 3. So that should be written first. 1 by 3 must be written first. Whatever you see after from must be written in first. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So first 1 by 3 and then 3 by 4. And since it is subtract, minus, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And after this step, we know how to take the LCM and proceed and get the answer.
Yes, 3, 4.
I'll show you the answer slide. Tell me the second one. Yes, Swati, second one.
Ma'am, 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6.
Okay, I'll answer my question. Which is the first rational number to be written? 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Which is the other one? Which is the other one?
Minus 5 by 6, ma'am.
Minus 5 by 6. And what is the operation? Subtraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to take a minus sign in the middle. We need to take a minus sign in the middle. Okay. Third one. Somebody tell the third one. Not Swati, somebody else.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Nandana.
Ma'am, first rational number is minus 3 by 5, ma'am.
Okay.
Minus of minus.
No. The first one is minus 3 by 5, which is the second one.
Ma'am, minus 8 by 9.
Okay, and what is the operation?
Minus, ma'am.
Minus. So you should take a minus sign in the middle. Minus.
Yes. And we should find the LCM for the denominators.
Correct. Yeah, we'll see the complete answer.
Yes,
we first discuss how to write it. The fourth one.
Ma'am, Bhavishya.
Yeah, Bhavishya. Fourth one.
Ma'am, we should put the minus 1 by 1, ma'am.
Okay.
Minus of minus 9 by 7.
No, the first rational number is minus 1 or minus 1 by 1. The second one is minus 9 by 7. And since it's subtract, you need to take a minus in the middle. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So you can complete this as homework, children. See the answer slide. Go through 1, 2, and 3 and ask me if you have any doubts. Go through 1, 2, and 3, all of you.
Ma'am, in first box or second box, ma'am, homework sum?
No, we have 8 questions. No, all the 8 questions homework. But before that, go through the steps and see if you have any doubts.
Okay, ma'am.
See, these are the 8 questions. I'll show you. These are the 8 questions and these are the answers. Answers for the 8 questions. Now you go through answer 1, 2, and 3. Or I think it will not take a long time, children. You can work it now. The time you take to read the go through the steps, I think you can complete the answers in the class. Yes, work 1, 2, and 3 and ask me your doubts.
Ma'am, for first one, how ma'am 4 minus 9 will come?
Okay. Yeah. Who's that?
Ma'am, Bhavishya.
Bhavishya. All right. So you know the order 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. That's understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's the LCM of 3 and 4?
12, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
3 into 4, right? 3 into 4, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 also should be multiplied by 4. So 1 into 4 is 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Then here the denominator is 4. You should multiply by what to get 12?
3, ma'am.
3. So multiply that in the numerator also. So it will be 3 3s are 9. So it is 4 minus 9. Both the denominators are 12. So 4 minus 1, the whole upon 12. Common denominator.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in second one.
Yeah. Yes, Nandana?
Ma'am, the second one is 2 minus of minus 5, ma'am.
Correct.
So we should add 2, 5 plus 2, so we get 7. But the greater sign is on minus 5, ma'am.
Okay. So here the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Okay. You disable your mic, Nandana. You disable your mic. So now 3 into 2. So 1 into 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Minus, this sign minus, you see here minus. 6 into 1 is 6. So into 1 here also. So minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. The common denominator is 6. So 3 into 2 is 6. 1 into 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Then this minus sign here minus 6 into 1. So minus 5 into 1. Minus 5. Since there's already a sign outside minus, we write minus 5 in a bracket. Next, we need to remove the bracket. We need to remove the bracket. How? By multiplying the signs. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. See, when there is a minus outside the bracket, you can remove the bracket by writing the term inside the bracket with the opposite sign. See here, when there's a plus and say you have a plus 3, a plus and a 3 like this. There's a plus sign here. When the sign is plus, when you have to remove the bracket, there is no change in the sign here. Minus 3 will come as it is. Here also this 3 will come as it is. When there's a plus outside, simply remove the bracket and write whatever number is there inside the bracket, write it as it is. When there is a plus outside the bracket, when there's a plus sign, supposing there's a plus of minus 5, plus of say 7, there's a plus sign outside. Simply remove the bracket. Whatever is this number, write it as it is, minus 5, 7. But when there's a minus sign, supposing there's a minus sign, to remove the bracket, there's a minus sign here. So what you have to do is, whatever you have in the bracket, it's minus 7, write it with the opposite sign, plus 7. Here it's a plus 8, it will become minus 8. When there's a minus outside, change the sign. Minus 7 will become plus 7, plus 8 will become minus 8. If there's a plus sign outside, there will be no change. Just write the terms in the bracket as it is. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there's a minus here. There's a minus here. And you need to remove this bracket. So what happens is this minus 5 come, you remove the bracket, minus 5 should be plus 5. Or in other words, minus into minus is plus. What is plus into plus?
Plus, ma'am.
Plus. What is minus into minus?
Plus, ma'am.
Plus, ma'am.
What is plus into minus?
Minus, ma'am.
Minus, ma'am.
Minus into plus?
Minus, ma'am.
Minus, ma'am.
So when there are different plus into minus or minus into plus, when you multiply opposite signs, it will be minus. When you multiply same signs, it will be plus. Plus into plus is plus. Minus into minus. When you're multiplying same signs, both minus or both plus, when you're multiplying the same signs, the result is plus. When you're multiplying opposite signs, plus into minus or minus into plus, the result is minus. When you multiply same signs, it is plus. When you multiply opposite signs, it is minus.
Ma'am, your voice is stucking, ma'am.
So my voice is not clear?
Ma'am, it's stucking in between for me, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am. For me too, ma'am. Sometimes.
Let me just take 1 second. Okay, I'll just continue. Just let me know if it happens again.
Yes, ma'am.
Now again, tell me what is plus into plus?
Plus, ma'am.
Minus into minus?
Plus, ma'am.
Plus into minus?
Minus, ma'am.
Minus into plus?
Minus, ma'am.
So when you have opposite signs, see your opposite signs, then it's minus. When you have same signs, then it's plus. So minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus, so plus 5. Now 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 by 6. Here the LCM of 5 and 9 is 45. So it's 5 here, you should multiply by 9. So multiply the numerator also by 9. Here multiply by 5 and the numerator also by 5. So minus 3 into 9 is minus 27. And this minus sign in the middle, this minus sign which is here, minus. And minus 8 into 5 is minus 40. Minus 8 into 5 is minus 40. See, and minus 3 into 9 is minus 27. And this connector minus sign here, minus 8 into 5 is minus 40. The whole upon 45. 5 nines are 45. Or 9 fives are 45. Now this minus 27 as it is. Minus into minus is plus and 40. Divided by 45. Now 40 minus 27 is 13. Different sign, subtract. Different sign, subtract and put the sign of the greater number. That's plus 13 by 45. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Bhavishya. Bhavishya. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have understood, ma'am.
Okay. I think yes, children, you should complete this. We cannot spend time on subtraction. Please take a screenshot of this one and complete the rest of the sums as homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Done first 3 sums, ma'am.
Yeah, completed the first 3 in the class, right?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I completed all sums.
Nandana, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. How come so fast? Very good. Okay. All right. Using the rearrangement property, find the sum. Am I clear, children? Okay. Using the rearrangement property, find the sum. So how do we rearrange? Let's see that. I'll teach you one. The next one is homework. I'm sorry. The next one is a test. Not homework, sorry. The next one will be a test. Listen to the first one carefully. So see the denominators. What are the denominators? We have 3, 5, 3, 5. So we'll group the rational numbers with the same. In this particular question, what we have to do is we'll group the rational numbers with the same denominator. So 4 by 3 and 4 by 3. What's the question? Using the rearrangement property, find the sum. So what you do? 4 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. We'll group these two. So see here, 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. And the connecting sign is plus everywhere. See here, the connector is plus everywhere. Can you see 4 by 3? Yes, and you can see it here. And can you see minus 2 by 3 and a plus before that? So plus minus 2 by 3 in one bracket. In the other bracket, you will have 3 by 5. See here, 3 by 5. And plus minus 11 by 5. Plus minus 11 by 5. So how have we grouped? We have grouped here rational numbers that have the same denominator in this question. Okay. So after this common denominator is 3. So you can see here 4 plus minus 2. The denominator is the same. So add the numerators 4 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 3 plus minus 11. 3 plus minus 11 by 5. Plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 3. And this plus sign. 3 minus 11 is minus 8 by 5. Now the denominators are different. You'll have to take the LCM again. 3 and 5 is 15. So 3 into 5 is 15. So into 5 in the numerator. 5 into 3 is 15. So into 3 in the numerator. So 2 5s are 10 plus in the bracket minus 8 into 3 is minus 24 divided by 15. Now open the bracket. Plus into minus is minus. 10 minus 24 by 15, which is minus 14 by 15. Work out, children. As you work, you might have some questions to be clarified. Work this one carefully.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Swati?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if there is 2 signs between 2 numbers, ma'am, for example, if it's like 4 minus 4 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 and plus minus 11 by 5, how should we write, ma'am?
Like this. Supposing it was I'll write what you asked.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're saying, supposing it was 4 by 3. Here it is find the sum. See here. Here it is find the sum. So everywhere you can see the connector is a plus sign. Everywhere the connector is a plus sign because the question is find the sum. So everywhere you have 4 rational numbers. You have 4 rational numbers all connected by plus sign because the heading is find the sum. Now for your question, the heading will not be find the sum. It will be evaluate. It will be evaluate, meaning find the value. Evaluate. Okay. So evaluate 4 by 3 minus supposing 3 by 5. I think this is your question. Minus 2 by 3. Is this your question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and then
Minus,
plus.
Okay, plus you want. Okay, plus.
Yes, ma'am.
So then you need to be, yeah.
Ma'am, now which sign should we have to take, ma'am? Like
that's what. That's what. So see here. So 4 by 3 plus minus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 11 by, you can just write 11 by 5 as it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you got that?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yeah. So write 4 by 3. There's a minus sign here. Use that for the numerator here. So write, this is minus 3 by 5. So use the connector plus 4 by 3 plus minus 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 and plus 1 by 11 by 5. And then you can use the same method.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but it's plus 11 by 5, no, ma'am. So while rearranging, it should be minus 11 by 5, no, ma'am.
No, you're not taking it to the other. It's not an equation. We are not taking it to the other side. We are just rearranging. This is only an expression. It's not an equation. If it's an equation, you're taking it to the other side, then the sign will change.
Yes, ma'am.
This is not an equation. This is only an expression. And you're just moving. We understand the difference, right? Between an equation and an expression. This is an expression. So in the expression, when you're just rearranging, you take this here, you're bringing this here, the signs will not change. Only if it's an equation, you're taking a term to the other side of the equal to sign, then the signs will change.
Yes,
Is that
ma'am.
your question? Was that your question, Swati?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are expressions. And in the expression, when you're just, changing the position of the terms, they will go with the same sign. The signs will not change.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, finished workout, ma'am.
Correct. Very good. Kitan, you must use all the steps which you see on your screen. Don't write it in your own style, please.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I have done that. Well, like that. I haven't copied that in the screen, ma'am.
Okay, disable your mic. The next one is a test. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
All of you? All right. So this is your test. Now, here the rational numbers, they have different denominators. In this one, the rational numbers, they have different denominators. Now you are going to group the rational numbers by using your knowledge of LCM. Tell me, the denominators are 3, 4, 6, and 8. How will you group? Which denominators will you group?
Ma'am, minus 8 by 3 plus minus 11 by 6.
Yeah, you will group the denominators 3 and 6. And
4 and 8, ma'am.
Minus
3 and 6. Yes, you must group the rational numbers that have the denominators 3 and 6. And then in the other group, you will have the rational numbers that have the denominators 4 and 8. Yes, children, do it. Danya, can you turn on your camera, Danya? Yes, children. Are you ready with the answer?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
And completed.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the answer? Nandana and Swati? What's your answer, Nandana?
Ma'am, minus 105 by 24.
Minus 105 by
24.
22. Yourself, Swati?
Ma'am, I got
24.
100. Ma'am, I
Okay,
got
so
102 by 24, ma'am.
102 by 74.
Ma'am, 102 by 24, ma'am.
24.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Bhavishya?
Ma'am, I'm doing that last step, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I'm getting minus 26 by 24, ma'am.
Minus 26 by?
24.
26 by 24. Okay, fine. All of you disable your mic. The first step is this one. Minus 8 by 3.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Ma'am, someone else is disabled.
Yeah. Now tell me. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Now you
Yes,
are.
ma'am, you are.
All right. So we need to rearrange like this. Minus 8 by 3. Minus 11 by 6. And then plus minus 1 by 4.
1 by 4 plus 3 by
3 by 8. Okay. So now we are going to take LCM for these two. We're going to take LCM for these two. Correct?
So first one is 6,
And then for these two. What's the LCM here? 6.
6, ma'am.
So it will be into 2 into 2. So it will be minus 16.
minus
Correct?
16 plus minus 11.
Plus
Minus
minus
11. Is this
11.
correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
got it.
Yes,
Plus what's LCM?
Ma'am, 8,
minus
ma'am.
So it will
8.
be into 2 into 2.
Ma'am, minus 2, ma'am. Plus
Minus 2
3.
plus 3.
3, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what's the next step? Open the bracket. So it will be minus 16. Minus into plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus 11 by 6 plus minus 2 plus 3 by 8. Do you have this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you will get minus same signs, add and put the same sign.
27.
Same sign.
Minus 27, ma'am.
And put the same sign by 6 plus
Plus
here
1 by 8.
different signs. Minus 2 plus 3 different signs. Subtract.
Yes.
1. Sign
1
of
by
the
8,
greater
ma'am.
number.
1
So
by
1
8.
by 8. Now again common denominator 24.
24, ma'am.
24. So it will be into 4. Into 4 into 4. Into 3 into 3. Minus 108 plus
Yes, ma'am.
3.
Minus
Correct?
108 plus 3. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is minus 105 by 20.
Swati got this right.
I got it 1. Ma'am, I got 102 by 24, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got correct, ma'am.
Who got it right? Nandana, is it?
Yes, ma'am. I got right.
Oh, very good. Is my answer correct?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, instead of 3, I just multiplied it with 6, ma'am. So I got it wrong.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bhavishya and Tanya, any doubt? Rutika is not there with us today. Where did you go wrong, Bhavishya?
For that, I have taken the LCM for that. The 6 and I have multiplied by 3 into 2 and 6 into 1, ma'am. For that, I have got minus 16 plus minus 11 by 6, ma'am. For that, I have got a second one minus 1 by 4 and plus 3 by 8. For that I have got 8 ma'am LCM.
Oh, where have you gone wrong?
Ma'am, I have got wrong in that step on adding that, ma'am.
Okay. How should I help you? Is your doubt clarified?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, let me show you the answer slide. Same thing you'll have in the answer slide. See here.
Ma'am, but minus 35 is there.
Ma'am, we need to simplify it.
Okay, I didn't simplify. Okay.
Ma'am, you simplified.
Yes,
So,
ma'am, you
5
simplified it, ma'am.
plus 1 is 6. Use a test of divisibility for 3. 5 plus 1, 6. So 105 is divisible by 3. And 24 is also divisible by 3. 105 and 24, they are divisible by 3. So it will be 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 3 8s are minus 35 by 8. It's further not, meaning it's in the simplest form. This cannot be simplified further.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, while simplifying, should we have to take it as divided by minus 3 or divided by plus 3, ma'am?
Positive 3. Divided by positive 3. Am I audible, Swati?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because for not getting the denominator as minus, we are just dividing it by minus plus 3.
I divided 24 by 3, positive 3, I got 8. I divided minus 105 by a positive 3, I got minus 30. This minus is already there, 35. What's your question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you just divided it by plus.
You can divide by, you can multiply or divide. You can multiply the numerator and denominator, or you can divide the numerator and denominator by any number other than 0. You can divide by positive or negative. Here I've done by a positive 3. But in general, you can divide, when you have a rational number, the numerator and denominator can be multiplied or divided by the same number except 0. You should not multiply the numerator and denominator by 0 or divide by 0. Other than 0, you can use any number.
Ma'am, but the simplified form shouldn't have the denominator as a negative, no, ma'am.
Yeah, then that minus sign will be taken to the numerator.
Yes,
then
ma'am.
Yeah. If then when you do that and supposing you get a negative denominator, take that minus sign to the numerator.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yeah. Answer here, children.
Can we do that question too, ma'am?
Okay. Try this one. All of you should get the correct answer, the same answer, all of you. So here I should.
Next slide.
This question. So now I'll not help you what to group. You should know. Please try. I'll get back, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, what's your answer?
Ma'am, minus 17 by 140, ma'am.
Minus 17 by 140.
Yes, ma'am.
This is from? Who's got this answer?
Ma'am, I have got the LCM for minus 13 and 14 is 20, ma'am. For 11 and minus 10, 14, ma'am.
Correct, correct. So tell me the answer once again.
Minus 17 by 140, ma'am.
Who's giving out this answer?
Ma'am, Bhavishya.
Okay. Others, Nandana and Swati?
I too got the same answer, ma'am. 17 by 140.
Me
Nandana?
too, ma'am. 70 by 140.
Danya, why you're not participating? Danya, are you there?
Ma'am, if we simplify, we get the answer as 1 by 2, ma'am.
Okay. So it's like this. Minus
Ma'am.
13 by 20.
Ma'am, I have a
Plus
doubt, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I finish this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, minus 14 plus 7, minus 4.
So we'll group these two and these two.
Ma'am, first one LCM is 20, second one LCM is 14.
So see here, children. Here, the sign here. See here, don't change the signs, right? Minus 13 by 20 as it is, minus 13 by 20. Plus 7 by 10. Plus 7 by 10, plus 7 by 10. Plus 11 by 14, plus 11 by 14. You can see the plus sign here, plus minus 5 by 7, plus minus 5 by 7. As it is, just change the order. You're just rearranging the terms. You're not changing the signs. Okay, the LCM is 20.
For the first case,
So it'll be
ma'am.
minus 13 plus 14, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Plus 14, common denominator, 11
11
plus
minus 10.
And minus 10, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, so it'll be 1 by 20 plus
Plus
11
1 by
minus 10
14,
by
ma'am.
14. Yeah, so
1
it'll
by
be 1 by
14
20,
plus 1 by
1 by 14.
Plus 1 by 14, ma'am.
Yeah, the LCM is
140.
140.
140.
Yes, ma'am.
7 plus
10.
10, ma'am.
10. 17 by 140. All of you
And
got this?
17. 17.
Ma'am, 17 only, ma'am.
17 children. How will it be 17? 17. Okay, you can see the steps there. 20 into 7 is
Yes, ma'am.
140.
17, ma'am.
Into 10.
Yes, ma'am. That was the doubt I'm having, ma'am. She said the simplified form is 1 by 2, ma'am, but we can't simplify 17 by 140, ma'am.
Yeah. Even I heard that. I thought I'll just work and then talk.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. It's not 70. It is 17. 7 plus 10, 17 by 140. And that's the simplest form. All right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Answer here. You can see this one only. Same answer there also.
And do we have another?
Yeah?
And do we have another sum?
Yeah.
Ma'am, is that sum also a test?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're sure, children? This one, no doubts?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Do this. Yeah, what's the answer?
One minute, ma'am.
Minute, ma'am.
Yes, children. Must have finished by now. What's the answer?
Ma'am.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, what's your answer, Swati?
Ma'am, I got minus 77 by 18, ma'am.
Minus 77 by 18. Yeah, you're right. Your answer is right. Yes, children. Look at the answer. Check your steps with the answer you see there. So this should be simplified further. That's all. You know the test of divisibility of 3.
Yes, ma'am. Got the same.
Ma'am, I simplified like minus 21 by 7 there itself, ma'am. I got minus 3 by 1, ma'am.
Oh, I didn't notice that. Yeah, correct. Yes, let me work that. You can simplify here itself. Minus 3 plus minus 23 by 18. Correct. So what's the LCM? 18 is LCM. So
18,
minus
ma'am.
3 is minus 3 by 1. Yeah, you can. Thank you, Swati.
Ma'am,
So after this, you can write minus 21 by 7 is minus 3 plus minus 23 by 18. So the common denominator is 18. This is by 1. So it will be minus 54.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus minus 23. So that is minus 54 minus 23. Plus into minus is minus by 18, which is minus 77. Correct? By 18.
Yes.
Minus 77 by 18.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
No, we should simplify. Minus 21 by 7, you should simplify. You must simplify it to minus 3, and which is minus 3 by 1. You must simplify. Wherever possible, we must simplify to make our calculations easy. Yes.
ma'am, I got the answer minus 539 by 126, ma'am.
Yeah. That's because you've also not simplified. Minus 21 by 7, you've taken it as it is, but good. You've got minus 539 by 126. You should divide by 3. See here, minus 539 by 126. divide by 3. 3, you can actually divide by 9, but we don't realize, no, sometimes, so we'll do by 3 first. 3 ones are 3, 2 is a remainder, 3 sevens are 21, 2's a, oh, it's not divisible by 3, 5, 39. 1 second.
It's not divisible by 3, no, ma'am.
Okay, I didn't check it. Okay. Minus 539 divided by 126. Then check if it's divisible by 7. You should keep checking. You should check 2. 2, it's not divisible. The denominator is divisible by 2, but not the numerator. 3, it's not divisible because 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So it's not divisible by 3. Then 5, we can make out it's not divisible. So next is 7. Next in the line is 7. You check with 2, 3, 5, and then 7. So let's check by 7.
Yes,
7,
ma'am.
7 sevens are 49. Yeah. 4 is a remainder. 7 sevens are 49. Again, 7 ones are 7. 5 is a remainder. 7 eights are 56. So the numerator and denominator, they are divisible by 7. So that gives us minus 77 by 18.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We should check from 2. If the numerator and denominator is divisible by 2. Next 3, 5, 7. Keep using prime numbers like that. I like to do. Let's solve some word problems. The sum of 2, again, the first one I'll teach you, the next one will be a test. The sum of 2 rational numbers is minus 2. I hope this is over, all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Done.
Yeah. You can write the question later. Let me just explain it. The sum of 2 rational numbers is minus 2. That means one rational number plus the other rational number is equal to the sum, which is minus 2. Don't write anything. The sum of 2 rational numbers is minus 2. That means one number plus the other number is equal to the sum. If one of the numbers is minus 14 by 5, so one number is minus 14 by 5. So let the other number be x. And what is the sum? Minus 2. See here? What is this? This is the sum. What is this? This is one number. What should we find? The other number. What is this one? This is the sum of the 2 numbers. This is the sum of the 2 numbers. What is this? This is one of the 2 numbers. There are 2 numbers. One of them is this one. And what should we find? The other number. So one number plus the other number is equal to the total, the sum. One number is not minus 2, children. The sum is minus 2. So under sum, you should write minus 2. One number is minus 14 by 5. So one number is minus 14 by 5. And let the other number be x. Let the other number be x. So you should start with I'll show you these steps in the next slide. Just explain first. So you must say let the other number be x. So one number plus the other number is equal to the sum. One number is given as minus 14 by 5. The other number we don't know, x is equal to the sum, which is minus 2. So now you must transpose to find x. You must take this one to the other side. This is an equation. This is an equation. Here, when you transpose, the sign will change. If it's positive, it becomes negative. So transpose minus 14 by 5. That is, you take it to the other side. So x is equal to minus 2 is on the same side. So that will come down as it is. That will come down as it is. This one is going from the LHS to the RHS. So that one, so it's minus 14 by 5, which will become plus 14 by 5. So x is equal to, this is minus 2 by 1. The LCM is 5. So into 5 it will be minus 10 plus 14. So x is equal to 4 by 5. So the other rational number is 4 by 5. Therefore, the other rational number is 4 by 5.
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
here the sign will change because you're working with an equation, not an expression. So here you're taking minus 14 by 5 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So minus 14 by 5 will become plus 14 by 5 in the right hand side. And then LCM and solving it, children. That's all. Write down the question and the answer.
Ma'am, if we verify also, we will be getting the same, ma'am, like minus 10 by 5, that is equal to 2, minus 2.
Very good. Yes, yes. Very good. Please write down the question and then write the answer. So you can. One number, this one is minus 14 by 5. This plus as it is. Other number is x is equal to minus 2. This is one number, children. This is one number plus other number is x is equal to the sum which is minus 2.
Completed.
All right.
Need to complete it.
Yes, this is the test. Be the first to finish correctly. Write the question and then start working the answer. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 1 by 2. If one of the numbers is 5 by 6, find the other.
Ma'am. Ma'am, x is equal to minus 3 by 5 is the answer.
X is equal to minus 3 by 5. Danya.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Danya. Yeah, children, what's the answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got minus 2 by 6, ma'am.
Minus 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So again, here also one number plus the other number is equal to the sum, correct? What is one number?
Ma'am, 5 by 6.
Ma'am, 5.
What's the other number?
X.
What is the sum?
Minus 1
4
by 2.
What's the next step?
X is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus of 5 by 6, ma'am.
This will come here. It is what? Plus 5 by 6. So it will become minus 5 by 6, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's plus 5 by 6, so it will become
Minus
minus
5.
5 by 6. Change the sign.
Ma'am, I
LCM is
see
6
6.
into 3 into
Minus
3.
Minus 3 by
minus 3. Minus. Minus 8 by 6.
By 3. Yeah, you compare your steps with these and ask me your question.
Ma'am, got correct, ma'am. Minus 4 by 3.
Correct? Yeah. Plus 5 by 6 when it comes to the other side. From the LHS to the RHS, it become minus 5 by 6. That's all. Don't write two signs and all that plus minus. Plus 5 by 6 will become minus 5 by 6. Finished. See the answer here.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 minute. This is 5 by 6. This is one number. 5 by 6 is one number. X is the other number and the sum is minus 1 by 2. Yes, Swati?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 3 minus 5, I did like minus 3 plus 5, ma'am. So I got 2 by 6, ma'am.
No. That is you got minus 3 minus 5. Did you get this step, Swati?
Yes, ma'am. Those were the same, ma'am. While subtracting alone, I got 2 by 6, ma'am.
No, 1 minute. You got minus 3 minus 5 by 6. You got this also, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now minus 3 minus 5. Do they have the same sign or different signs?
Same, ma'am.
So we should add or subtract?
Add, ma'am.
Yeah, so add and put the same sign. Okay, let me write that rule. Same signs. Same sign when you're adding or subtracting. This is for addition, subtraction. This is for addition, subtraction. Same signs. Add. Put the same sign. Put the same sign. Different signs. Supposing they have different signs. different signs, you must subtract. So when to add, when should you add? When they have same signs. When they have same signs, add. When they have different signs, you should subtract. And put the sign of the greater number. Put the sign of the greater number, greater number. When should we add? When the numbers have the same sign. When should we subtract? When the numbers have different signs or opposite signs. One is plus, the other is minus. Then you should subtract. When should you add? When both are minus or both are plus. Both of them carry a positive sign or both of them carry a negative sign. Same signs, plus, plus, minus, minus. Add and put the same sign. Different signs, plus, minus, different signs. You must subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So minus 3, minus 5, same signs. Minus 3, minus 5, both are negative. Minus 3, minus 5. Add because they have the same signs. Minus 3, negative 3, negative 5. Same sign. You should add and put the same sign. Correct, Swati?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
If you want to just write on this, you can make a note, children. You all know it. It's not new to you. You can just make a note of this if you want. When to add, same signs you add. When to subtract, different signs you must subtract. Okay, next one. What should be added? This I will do it for you. What should be added to minus 5 by 8? So as to get minus 3 by 2. What should be added to minus 5 by 8? So you have minus 5 by 8. What should be added to this one, minus 5 by 8? What should be added to minus 5 by 8? So let x be added to minus 5 by 8. To get means equal to get means equal to get minus 3 by 2. What should be added to minus 5 by 8 to get meaning equal to get minus 3 by 2. So let x be added. Let x be added. Let x be added to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2. After this, you know how to solve, correct?
Yes, ma'am, while transposing finding LCM.
Yeah. Children, take a screenshot. This will be your homework then.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Write the question and leave some space for you to complete. Write the question, all of you. All of you write the question now in the class. And leave about 5 to 6 lines. Complete this.
Yes, ma'am, completed the question.
All right. Similar one. I'll show you the answer. Take a screenshot, write the question now. Same thing. What should be added to minus 1 so as to get 5 by 7? So let x be added to minus 1. See here, let x be added to minus 1 to get 5 by 7. To get means equal to. Write the question, leave some space.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
writes the question.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Swati says yes, others?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See the next one. What number should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3? Very important, which one to write first? What number should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3? You want to subtract what number should be subtracted from 2 by 3? To get minus 1 by 6. To get means equal to. Now tell me, how should I write the equation? So let that number to be subtracted be x. Let that number to be subtracted be x. How do I write the equation? What should be written first?
Ma'am, minus 2 by 3.
Minus 2 by 3. Added or subtracted, this is?
Minus, ma'am. It's subtracted.
Subtracted. What should be subtracted? Do we know what should be subtracted? We don't know. So we'll call it x. To get meaning equal to. To get meaning the answer is equal to minus 1 by 6. So it's like this. What should be subtracted? So let x be subtracted. Let x be subtracted. So x is subtracted from minus 2 by 3. What number should be subtracted? Let x be subtracted. What number? Let x be subtracted. So x is subtracted from minus 2 by 3. What is after from minus 2 by 3? Write that first. Minus x. Subtracted minus and x. To get minus 1 by 6. This is the equation. We'll do this in the class now. Show you the answer. Work using the answer. Work this now, children.
Completed, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So x is subtracted from minus 2 by 3. X is subtracted from what comes after from should be written first. After from we have minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 should be written first. Minus 2 by 3. Let x be subtracted. So minus x to get. So equal to minus 1 by 6. So now transpose. This will come to the other side. Minus 2 by 3 will become plus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 becomes plus 2 by 3. So this is minus x. Be careful. This is minus x. So minus x as it is. Minus x is equal to this minus 1 by 6 is on the same side. RHS. Whatever is traveling only will go with the opposite sign. See here, we are writing this as it is. Minus x is equal to as it is. Minus 1 by 6 as it is. This one is traveling. So that will become plus 2 by 3. So LCM now. LCM. Till here you should understand. So minus x is equal to 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. Minus x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is, we are multiplying both the sides with minus 1. You're multiplying both the sides by minus 1. You're multiplying this side by minus 1, this side also by minus 1. You can do that. You should not multiply the LHS and RHS by 0. Other than 0, any number you can multiply. Both the LHS and RHS can be multiplied by any non-zero rational number. Other than 0, any rational number you can multiply the LHS and RHS with. So we are because we want the value of x, not minus x. So this one, you don't have to show the step. You don't have to show the step. But how this becomes this, I'm saying. So we are multiplying both the sides by minus 1. See here, minus x is equal to half. But I don't want minus x, I want x. So I'll multiply this by minus 1. LHS by minus 1, RHS by minus 1. So minus into minus is plus, x into 1 is x, is equal to half into minus 1 is minus half. Anything into 1 is the same thing. And plus into minus is minus. Do we remember the rules, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Multiplication and all that. Plus into minus, minus.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, or can we transpose this minus x to the RHS and half to the LHS?
Yeah, you can. You want to exchange this? Yes, you can do that also. When this one goes here, it will become x. And when half comes this side, it will become, that is, minus x is equal to half. If you're transposing both, minus x, if it comes to the right hand side, it will become x. Minus x will become plus x, is equal to this half plus half. When you take it to the left hand side, it will become minus half. So you'll get minus half is equal to x. That means x is equal to minus half. You can understand like this also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Minus half is equal to x, or x is equal to minus half. That is, you're transposing this and this. So this, when it comes here, it will become x. And that will become minus half. See here, minus x is in the left hand side. In the right hand side, it will become plus x. Half is in the right hand side. When it goes to the left hand side, it will become minus half. So x is equal to minus half. So the number to be subtracted is minus half. The number to be subtracted is minus half. This is over, children? All of you?
Yes, ma'am. To screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, answer these questions. First one, Danya. Which rational number is its own additive inverse? What's the other name for additive inverse? What is the other name for additive inverse? Negative of a rational number. Additive inverse is also called the negative of a rational number. See, there are two things, additive identity and additive inverse. Identity means you should get the same answer. On adding something, you must get the same answer. That is, if you have the rational number 2 by 3, add something to 2 by 3 and you should get 2 by 3 itself as the answer. Whatever is the rational number, when you add something to it, you must get the same thing. 2 by 3, identical answer you must get. Same answer you must get. Then that is 0. Additive identity is 0. Identity, identical. Same answer you want. You have minus 4 by 5. You want to add something to it and get the same answer minus 4 by 5. That is possible only when you add 0. So 0 is called the additive identity of rational numbers. This one is additive inverse. Additive inverse means the given rational number plus some other rational number should give the sum as 0. So supposing I have minus 4 by 5. To this, what should I add so that the answer is 0, the sum is 0? That is additive inverse. I have the rational number minus 4 by 5. What should I add to minus 4 by 5 so that the sum is 0? So you must add the same rational number with the opposite sign. Minus 4 by 5 means plus 4 by 5. So the sum will be 0. Can you recall this, children? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Don't get confused. Don't additive identity and additive inverse. Identity, additive identity is the same answer. So 0 is the additive identity of rational numbers. Additive inverse means write the same rational number with the opposite sign. 2 by 3 means the same thing. If it's plus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 is the inverse. Additive inverse. For minus 2 by 3, plus 2 by 3 is the additive inverse. Now, which rational number is its own additive inverse? See, now supposing I take a rational number 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is not 0. Is not 0. If I have the rational number minus 1 by 4. If I add minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. I'll get minus 2 by 4. I'll not get 0. Which rational number, if you add it to itself, you will get 0. What plus what is, see, some rational number added to itself should give you 0. What is that? Zero is its own additive inverse. 0 is its own additive inverse. For all other rational numbers, additive inverse will be different. For all rational numbers, additive inverse will be a different answer. That is, it will be the same rational number with the opposite sign. But for 0 only, it is 0 itself. Additive inverse means a rational number plus another rational number is equal to 0. Like 2 by 3, then it will be minus 2 by 3. If it's minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Children, what's the additive inverse of minus 5 by 7?
Ma'am, 5 by 7.
Plus 5 by 7. Plus 5 by 7. Why? Because minus 5 by 7 plus 5 by 7 is 0. What is the additive inverse of minus 3?
Plus 3, ma'am.
Plus 3, ma'am.
Plus 3. Because minus 3 plus 3 is 0. For every rational number, you see that the rational number and the rational number and its additive inverse will be different numbers. They'll not be the same number. The rational number and its additive inverse, they'll be two different numbers. Supposing you have 1 by 4, rational number 1 by 4, that is plus 1 by 4. Its additive inverse will be minus 1 by 4. Same value, but opposite sign. But only for 0, it is itself. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So 0 is the rational number which is its own additive inverse. Is it understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or okay. Is the difference of two rational numbers a rational number?
Yes, ma'am. Since there is a vast collection, the difference is always a rational number.
Is the difference of two rational, what property is this of rational numbers? Difference of two rational numbers, a rational number. What property is it?
Ma'am, closure property.
Yeah, closure property. Closure property of difference of rational numbers. Closure property. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. When you subtract two rational numbers, the answer is also a rational number. When you subtract two rational numbers, the answer also will be a rational number. When you subtract rational numbers, see, 5 is a rational number. So if you want to take fractions, I'll take a simple one. 3 by 4 is a rational number. 7 by 4 is a rational number. If you subtract, you get minus 4 by 4, which is minus 1, which is also a rational number. 3 by 4 is a rational number. 7 by 4 is a rational number. When you subtract, you will get minus 4 by 4, which is minus 1, which is also a rational number. Minus 1 is a rational number. So this says the closure property. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Is addition commutative on rational numbers?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Commutative means how many numbers we take?
2 numbers, ma'am.
For associative?
3 numbers, ma'am.
3 numbers, ma'am.
3. For addition, it's always commutative and associative. Addition, for addition, it's always commutative and associative. So 3 and 4, yes. Is subtraction commutative on rational numbers?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Commutative means you should get the same answer. 3 by 7 minus
Commutative, ma'am.
subtraction is commutative. It's not commutative. It's not always commutative. Take some examples. Simple examples you can take, like, see, 4 is also a rational number. 9 is a rational number. When you subtract 4 minus 9, you get minus 5. But 9 minus 4 is 5. Commutative means when you take two numbers, two rational numbers, and subtract them in any order, you get the same answer. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not associative also. Associative means you take three numbers. You group them in different ways. You will not get the same answer. Subtraction is not associative. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. That is different. Closed under subtraction means when you subtract two rational numbers, the answer also will be a rational number. That is true. When you take two rational numbers and subtract, find their difference, the answer is also rational. That's true. But commutative and associative property does not hold good for subtraction. You will not get the same answer. A minus B is not the same as B minus A. Or A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. When you group them in different ways, you will not get the same answer. What is the negative of a negative rational number? What is the negative of a negative rational number? So see here. So we'll take this one first. Negative rational number. Negative rational number. Negative rational number. Say minus 2 by 3. Okay, minus 2 by 3. The negative of that. What is the negative of minus 2 by 3? See children, what is the negative of a negative rational number? This is a negative rational number. Minus 2 by 3 is a negative rational number. What is its negative? That is, what is its additive inverse?
Ma'am, 2 by 3.
2 by 3. So it's positive. The negative of a negative rational number is positive. Just take an example to understand that. Not a big deal. See here, you have to take a negative rational number. So say minus 1 by 4. What is its negative? What will be? So for, okay, what's the negative of minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3? What's the negative of minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7? What's the negative of minus 11 by 13 plus 11 by 13? So the negative of a negative rational number is always positive. The negative of a negative rational number is always positive. We are taking a negative rational number, minus 13 by 17. This is a negative rational number. It's a negative, see, negative, no minus. It's a negative rational number. Its negative is what? 13 by 7. Sorry, 13 by 17, which is positive. Negative rational number, say minus 19 by 5. It's a negative rational number. What is its negative? 19 by 5. It's positive. So the negative of a negative rational number is always positive. The screenshot, children, complete these. You can see the questions and the answers.
Yes, ma'am, took screenshot.
Yeah. Sorry, the negative of a negative rational number is positive, children. Is positive.
Yes, ma'am,
Take
they
a
have given the
screenshot
number.
now. Yes.
No, ma'am,
Yes,
I was
Marty?
about to ask that, ma'am.
Yeah. The negative of a negative rational number is positive.
Yes, ma'am, took the new one.
Yeah. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. See, it's very important that you take pictures of your classwork and share it with me. So whatever is today's work, complete everything. I have not got anything from Lisha's, Danya so far. I don't know Danya's handwriting at all. Whatever is today's classwork, children, please take pictures of complete your classwork. I've given you some homework also, right? So complete all that. Complete and then send the pictures before the next class. All right? All right, children. That's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night, children. Good night.